Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 63. We're continuing our look around San Francisco. Today we begin once again at the corner of Jefferson and Jones Street and walk west along Jefferson until we reach Hyde Street Pier. Leaving the cable car and tram turnaround behind us, we continue deeper into the western end of Fisherman's Wharf. This stretch of Jefferson Street balances the bustle of tourist shops with clear reminders of the neighborhood's working past. In the early 20th century, this was still the heart of San Francisco's fishing fleet, with rows of Italian-owned boats returning daily with their catch. As we walk, we pass by seafood restaurants and souvenir stores that reflect the wharf's transformation into one of the city's busiest tourist destinations. Many of the restaurants here still emphasize Dungeness crab, the regional delicacy that has been landed in these waters since the 1800s. The smell of steamed shellfish from sidewalk pots continues a tradition that has lasted more than a century. The sidewalks are busy, with performers and vendors adding to the carnival-like atmosphere. Yet above the noise, you can catch glimpses of the bay, fishing boats moored at small slips, sailboats heading towards the Golden Gate, and ferries making their ways across the water. Approaching the end of Jefferson, the scene shifts dramatically. Ahead lies Hyde Street Pier, part of San Francisco's Maritime National Historical Park. This pier is unique because it serves as a floating museum of historical ships, preserving vessels that once defined the city's maritime life. From the street, you can already see their masts and funnels rising above the pier. Schooners, steamships, and ferries, each with their own story. Among the most prominent is the Balclutha, a square-rigged sailing ship built in 1886 in Scotland. She carried cargoes of grain, lumber, and salmon between San Francisco and markets around the world, representing the last era of commercial sail before steam took over. Nearby is the Eureka, a side-wheel paddle steamboat launched in 1890 that once carried passengers and automobiles across the bay. Together with tugboats and smaller craft, they form one of the most significant collections of preserved ships in the United States. Arriving at Hyde Street Pier, you are standing at a place where San Francisco's seafaring past has been carefully preserved, even as the city continues to evolve. That concludes today's walk, a journey down Jefferson Street from Jones to Hyde, ending at the historical pier where ships from another era still float proudly on the bay.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.